Hello everyone, I'm Lenny from Anslide. Are you looking for a high power and energy efficient LED bulb solution? For your reference, today I'd like to introduce the perfect balloon line HPS bulb replacement, our WYX 350 watt LED cone line. This backlight LED cone line is specially designed for portable balloon lamps. Known for their 360-degree illumination and soft, convenient lighting. Balloon lights are widely used in outdoor road maintenance lighting, emergency and rescue lighting, construction site lighting, temporary event lighting, and camping lighting. Traditional balloon light typically use 1000 watt HPS lamp. While they've been around for decades, they have significant drawbacks. Number one, high energy consumption. They waste a lot of energy and require substantial electrical capacity, which limits their use in temporary and portable applications. Number two, excessive heat. Operating temperatures reach 400 to 500 degrees Celsius, posing a burn risk. Number three, fragility and pollution. The glass design is easily damaged, and mercury content is harmful to the environment. Number four, slow startup. They require 4 to 10 minutes to fully warm up, making them inconvenient in emergencies. Number five, short lifespan, only around 10,000 hours, leading to high maintenance costs. Our WYX 350 watt LED cone line solves all these problems. Here's how. Number one, easy installation. Standard E14 or E39 socket. No modification need. Just plug and play. Number two, high efficiency. 360-degree lighting with 118 lumen per watt. 350 watt LED cone line can replace 1000 watt HPS lamp. Save up to 18% energy. Number three, advanced performance. Integrated LED driver, AC 19 to 277 voltage input with 6 kV sugar potential and provides instant 100% brightness. Number four, eco-friendly and durable. Made from PC and aluminum, it's strong, long-lasting, and mercury-free. Number five, excellent cooling. Integrate a thermal fan for efficient heat dissipation, making it ideal for balloon lines requiring air circulation. Number six, safe and reliable. Operates below 18 degrees Celsius and lasts up to 15,000 hours, significantly reducing maintenance costs. What's more, with its high CRI, it ensures clear and natural visibility for enhanced safety and ambience. Let's take a look at the effect of our 350 watt LED cone line in balloon lines. We also have different size and different power LED cone line to couple different HID bulb and different fixtures. Switch your HID bulb to LED cone line today. Save energy, reduce costs, and brighten your wall. Contact us now for factory direct pricing. See you next time. Bye bye.